I am Dr. Pruthvi. This is my project for power generation through ocean waves. Here I am showing two forms of power generation, wind energy and ocean wave energy. In fact, five different forms of power generation, namely wind energy, ocean wave energy, ocean tidal energy, and to some extent ocean currents, and solar energy can be tapped simultaneously in a given stretch of ocean coast. Now, first to speak of wind energy. Wind energy is abundantly available. Right now, there are no technical, economic or resource limitations for wind energy. Offshore winds are up to 20% stronger than on land. Availability factor for wind energy is only 20 to 30%. However, innovative use of wind energy units can increase this factor. Denmark generates 2,880 megawatts, that is about one-fourth of its grid power, through 6,000 wind turbines. If Andhra Pradesh could have 20 wind energy units per kilometer of its coastline, which is very much possible, then the entire state could have free renewable wind energy. Ocean wave energy. Ocean wave energy is concentrated form of wind energy. Waves effectively store wind energy over thousands of kilometers. Availability factor for wave energy is over 90%. Wave power at deep ocean sites is 3 to 8 times that of wave power adjacent to the coastal sites. India is blessed with a long coastline of 7,500 kilometers and Andhra Pradesh has about 960 kilometers of coastline. There is enormous potential for developing wave and tidal energy technologies. There are no technological barriers to effectively develop wave and tidal energies. Waves and tides are predictable natural resources. On an average, wave power is 100 kilowatts per meter of the wave crest length. During storms, it is about 1 megawatt per meter of the wave crest length. Water is 832 times denser than air. Water moving at 8 knots has the same energy as wind blowing at 217 knots. Water molecules in a wave oscillate at speeds greater than 8 knots. By burning fossil fuels, the impact on nature and mankind will probably be immense. The rising of temperature that is predicted is actually measured. Scientists say the world will continue to heat up for the next 50 years based on the amount of carbon dioxide already present in the atmosphere. Studies show that coal and oil will still be available for perhaps the next 100 years. Their availability is, however, limited and will not meet the demand. The amount of energy needed to explore coal, oil and gas will not compensate the energy that it gives. Ocean energy, if developed, can offset tens of millions of metric tons of carbon dioxide every year. Coal, oil and gas are the forbidden fruits which God Himself has buried deep in the earth. If we are to continue to use these fruits, the world will come to an end in about 70 years from now. Absolutely, there should be no doubt about this. We should go for non-conventional sources of energy and protect and nurse our world. My technology can make a difference to the state, to the nation, and to the world at large. It is also cost effective. Thank you.